Channel and welcome back to Vlogmas 2018. Today, well, every day actually throughout Vlogmas, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my advent calendars, and today we're on day number 4. Oh my gosh, already number 4. I'm so excited and I hope you guys are excited too, and I'm going to get straight into it, and we're going to go in with our Glade calendar. Always doing this one first because we pretty much know it's going to be a little mini tea light candle, and there's only 3 different scents. So, you know, I just figured we'll do this one first. Number 4, number 4, number 4. Found it! Okay, I'm going to try and not stab the candle this time. I've literally stabbed every candle with the scissors. I don't know. I think I should. I think. Ooh! Ooh, okay, I'm really confused now because I feel like there's one that we haven't had yet. I mean, I'm not confused. We're only on day 4, I suppose. Yeah, I need to stop being weird, don't I? Really on day number 4. So, this is a purple one again. Oh, did you know what? Actually, this one smells differently. Or does it? No, I think this is the berries. I think this is the berries one still. But the winter, no, yeah, the winter berries. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the winter berries one. Who knows? If you want to know what the other flavours are, I did mention them all and read the description in day 1 of this little series. So go check that out, and let's move on to the advent calendar that I made myself. And we're looking for day number 4. Number 4. I see her. She's here. There, number 4. Man, I'm crazy. Boom! So today we have a So Sinful fragrance. These are just little body sprays, and I really like one of the So's. Oh, I don't want to spray it because, oh mind you, I can spray it, can't I? It's fine. We're going to spray it. Let's spray it. Because I don't know what this one smells like. Oh! Oh yeah, I like that. I really like the So Kiss Me one. It's so nice, and I think that is one of the ones that came with it. But yes! So that is the So Sinful. I think these are really nice smelling body sprays, and you can get perfumes of them as well. I absolutely love it. Cheers, my darlings. Ching ching. So, after that one, we're going to go in with the Soap and Glory one. Why not? Let's just do it. The Soap and Glory, it's in the calendar. It definitely is. Let's get it out. Number 4, I've already found it. Love it. Oh, I can smell that now. It's lovely. Really is a lovely smell. Oh, speaking of lovely smells, if I can get it out without completely destroying the poor thing, I can't. Can't do it. So, smells Pinkcredible. That's what it says on the back of the thing. Is this the one that I've got? It must be, because it's the original pink. I have got one, or I've had one. Actually, I've still got it. No, I can't see it. I'm not going to spray it, but I can open it, can't I? Yeah, it's like the original smell. Actually, I think this is different to the other one that I had. But it's the same smell of the hand food and the body creams, like the original ones. And it's just a cute little body spray. I was hoping to get one of these. I'll be happy if there's more of these in there as well. But I don't know if there is. But yeah, it's just a little cute little body spray. And I do really like this. This is my favourite thing that I've received so far. So far in the Soap and Glory calendars. So yeah. Let's move on to our wee little old sleek calendar over here. And try and find day number 4, and it is actually written in writing if anyone was interested. And it is, if I can open it, oh, it's a little nail varnish, which this could end up being gifted just because most likely won't use it, but it's a really nice nail varnish. It's a matte nail varnish. A matte nail varnish. I might try this out, but just because it says it's matte. But it doesn't say what shade it's in, which is actually really sad. So, oh, it does. Roja or red. Rioja or Rioja red. Anyway, it's red. So it's just a cute little red nail line. It's quite similar to the one that I've got on. This is a gel polish though, and yeah. So that's cute, and we will move straight on because we don't want this video to be super long. We're gonna go into the L one and look for day number 4. I've already found it, it's right here. This looks interesting. I don't know why. I already feel like it looks interesting. Oh, what is this? I'm not going to read what it says to you because we'll be here all day if I do that on all of them, because quite a lot of them say things. But if I can get it out, this seems to be the most difficult one to get now, which is ironic because actually one of them has fallen down as well, which is fantastically strange since it's so hard to get. Anyway, so what? Oh my god, I've just realised what this is and I'm so freaking excited about it. You guys probably already knew, but it's the freaking Bum Bum Cream. I've been wanting to try this for such a long time. How the heck do I get into this? Ever since it was like a thing and it came out, I've been wanting to try it, and I need to open it, you guys. Now some of you guys will understand, I need to know what this smells like because I've heard that it's supposed to smell really good. Please, please smell good. It's gonna. Oh! Oh. I want to eat it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this now. I'm just gonna get a little bit, just a right little bit. And I'm just gonna put that, and then I can just keep smelling it. Can't after all this video. Flipping heck, what is that? I would close to say it's one of the nicest things that I've, like, creams that I've smelt. I really like the Body Shop Japanese something or other. It's freaking well nice. Oh, this is good. Okay, so I'm well chuffed with this. This stuff's not cheap either, you guys. Some of you guys watching this will 100% understand where I'm coming from with this product. And remember when it was a massive hype and everything that went on, and that it is expensive, and the smell, and that it's supposed to be really good and all of that. Some of you are going to be like, what the heck even is that? But yes, it is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream from Sol de Janeiro. Fast absorbing body cream helps tight. Oh, that feels so soft now, you guys. I'm not even joking. I would tell you guys straight, I'd be like, oh, it smells horrible, like, what are they talking about? But I'm well excited about this. It's not a bad size either. It's probably the smallest one you can get. It is 75ml. It's not a bad size at all. So, yes! Elle magazine! Hooking your girl up. It did come out of the Elle one, didn't it? Yeah. Hooking a girl up. Oh, I need a drink after that. Let's move on to the next one, and I'm going to go over here into the Glossy Box one. Oh, I'm so excited about that. That's my favourite product out of there so far, I think. It's going to be really hard for me to remember all the different products and which one they came out of and things like that, but it's all good. It's all good. Because you know what, you guys? I will have these videos to look back on and remember for the rest of my life. Day number 4. Have I already chased you guys? This is the Philip Ingsley Bodybuilding Conditioner. And if not, I'm going to go, cheers, ching ching, I love you. Bodybuilding conditioner, oh, for your hair. Obviously, God. Oh. Oh, I like the smell of that. For fine limp or flyaway hair types. Now, my hair's very thick and frizzy, but I'm sure this is going to be really nice. I mean, because it's bodybuilding and it's volumizing, it might not be the best type of conditioner for me, but it's fine. We're still going to use it. I'm still happy with it. Let's move on to the next calendar. I've already taken too long in this video just because I got too excited. Let's move on to Body Shop day number 4, which is here. Every time I open this, I get a nice whiff, because obviously the Body Shop has got a lot of nice smelling things in it. Ooh! I'm seeing, oh, I've got to read this one. This one says, recycle empty packaging into plant pots with our upcycling tips. Yes, love that. Love that. So, Berry Bonbon Softening Body Butter. Haven't got this one. So far, everything that I've got in the Body Shop calendar, I haven't had before. So I'm very impressed so far. I know we're only on day 4. We're on day 4, but yeah, so far I'm freaking depressed. No! I'm not depressed. I'm impressed. Wow. I can smell it. That is so nice. Today's been a good day for calendars. Like, we have some really nice smelling things. That is so sweet. That's a very, very sweet smell. Some people might not really like that one. I'm a very sweet liking kind of person. But yeah, we've got the berry bonbon softening body butter. Love it. So I do think there's one more thing that I need to get for today. Ah! Oh gosh, these drinks are getting to my head now. Right, let's see what we've got in here. Ooh, Glam & Glow. So, I have another Glam & Glow thing. It's right over there. It might be the same thing, actually. This is the Glam & Glow Gravity Firming Treatment. Well, we need that, don't we? Defo. So, Glam & Glow is supposed to be really, really good. Is it like a mask? I'm not sure whether I use it like a mask or anything. I have a couple of Glam & Glow products, I believe, that have come in things and I haven't used them yet, but I'm definitely going to. So, yeah, so it's basically a mask, like you apply it and then you leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. So that is just what she looks like. I'm very excited. This is a 15-gram little thing. Probably maybe only get like 2, maybe 3 uses out of it. I'll know more when I see the consistency, etc. But that is it for today's unboxings. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having an amazing Vlogmas so far, you guys. I really do love you so much. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join us in our little supreme journey of Vlogmas. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.